Alright guys, we are on Bao Zhu Zhao Fu. $14 bet. We got the double up with the major. Major's at 650. There we go. Alright. Let's see if we can get some bigger numbers. I mean, it can't really be much bigger than a major, but alright. Come on. Let's get it. Alright, alright. There you go. Nice. Keep them coming, keep them coming. There we go. Wow, let's get some minors or minis in there. I forget if we can drop a minor or mini in the game or if it has to be from the trigger, but let's see if we can get it to drop. Come on, save the bottom one. Save it. All right. Oh, yeah. Okay, so that's a $300 mini. Very nice. So we're definitely at a jackpot now. Let's get that minor at 600. All right, another 30. There we go. Let's save the top one. Save it, save it, save it. Oh, top one's done. All right, let's get the middle or the bottom. Last spin, let's get it. Do it, find it. All right, let's see what the tally is. Very nice. There you go, 1690. I think we were in for about 500 on the machine, so a very nice profit. All right, guys, we played the, we got paid. We played it down. I put another 100 in there, and we got the ultra spin. So let's see how this goes. All right, let's go. 15 more. Boosted, 750 more, okay. Another 750, another 750, another 15. There you go. Good job, birdie. Keep it going, alright. There we go. Come on, big numbers, there you go, more. Alright, let's go. Get some writing in there. Let's get that $300 mini. Or let's get the minor this time. Alright. Okay. Come on, let's get letters. More. Okay. Alright. 30 more. 750. 15. Not bad. They're getting up there. Come on. Alright. Okay, let's go. Find it. There we go. Still alive. Come on, bird. Where are you? There it is. Come on. Nice. Alright, save the free spins. Come on. Save it. Ah. That's maybe 300 bucks. 330. And then the green one is about to pop, so we'll do maybe a few more spins, see if we can get the green too. Alright, we'll play it down to 300. Let's see if we can get the green. Come on, do it. Do it. Come on, green. Ooh. Oh, there's the one. Come on. Do it. Ah, shit. That would have been good. Come on, green. Find it. purple. Get him. Oh, we got the purple again. Nice. There we go. Okay, let's see if we can get some writing this time.
Ultra.
See, guys, that's why you always do backwards. Okay. Love that bird. Come on, let's get that meaty. Fly, birdie, fly. There we go. Alright, let's get some writing. Nothing huge so far. Alright, come on, save the games. Save it! No. Alright, not a great bonus, but something. Alright, what are we at? We're at 532. Okay, we'll drop it to 480. We'll play it down to 5. See if we can get something else. The green is about to pop. Could this be the one? No. Can we get all 3? Oh, what happened? No? I thought it did it. Alright, nice line hit. Some 5 of a kinds. Still alive. Come on, green. Do it. Do it. Alright. Oh, we got both. Damn, I shouldn't have dropped my bet. It's okay. It could still go good. This machine's on fire, guys. By the way, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get monetized, so we appreciate all the feedback. Doesn't take anything from you guys. It's free. So please hit that subscribe button and let's see what we do. So we get 4 spins instead of 3 because of the green, and then it's double up because of the red. Oh, minor, nice, 200. Oh, so it drops with the bet. Okay, I thought it was set for Houdina. Still not bad. All right, come on. Do we get that major again? Just some more minors, minis. Oh, come on. Let's save the bottom one. Save it. Ah. Alright, let's save the top one at least. Alright. Still alive on the top. Nice. Just need 5 more. Come on. Don't stop. Save it. Alright. Still alive. 4 more. 3 more. Come on. Save it. Alright. Let's see the tally. $300. $272. Alright, what does that put us at? Alright, we'll play down to 700. You know what? Let's change the denom Let's go to 5 cent. Let's do that. Oops, sorry. I want to see which one's about to pop. Alright, you know what? Let's just go back to 10 cent. We'll continue with the 480. See if we can get it again. Come on, Rockets. Do it. No. Alright, 2 more spins. And we'll call it a session. Last spin. Do it. Both of them. No. Alright, nothing wrong with that. Great session. We hit a jackpot. We're up. Crazy amount. We'll see you next time, guys.